Nah.
Okay, but somebody's got to announce the day and everything.
That's Alex. Alex is just like, with your deep voice though. Deep voice.
Hello, Jack. You're so handsome.
All right, are you ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
All right, 3, 2, 1. April 15th, 2012. More reanimation of the Titanic.
That'd be good.
Oh no, Jack, don't die.
Rose, never let go. I love you.
I love you too. Oh, wait, I think I see help. Jack, you're weighing me down. Oh, thank God, a whistle on this dead body. I'm saved. The rescue boat has come.
I am Jack.
At the bottom of the sea.
At the bottom of the sea.
And look, someone's come to rescue me.
Evil demon poodle.
Enough whistles and loud noises.
The end.
No, and our cast. Jack. Jesse.
Oh, and Rose.
And the dead officer with the whistle.
And Amber.
Goodbye.